Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Today I'm going to be trying to understand doo-wop music and how to play it on accordion. Again, we're not looking at one or two songs. This is the scenario where you're walking on the streets, there's a doo-wop band, and they say, hey, we're missing an accordion player. Come join us. What do you do with your accordion in doo-wop music? We looked at rockabilly music last week. This seems like it's music from the same era. Let's try and understand doo-wop music. Are there similar chord progressions? Are there similar rhythm patterns that we can play and scales on the accordion? So I'll share my screen. I googled doo-wop music. Let's have a listen. I'm not looking to learn one song. I'm looking to learn all or majority of doo-wop songs so I get an understanding for them. Let's have a listen. It's a little bit out of tune, but if we're in the key, I'll transpose it to a familiar key. What I'm hearing are when chord changes happen. Is it a major or a minor? And then what are the relations between the chords? So chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4. Back to the 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 chords. The first chord is a major chord. I heard that first note, and I'm completing the chord. 4 chords: A flat, F minor, D flat, E flat. This sounds like a familiar chord progression. I've played this before. Instead of playing in G sharp or A flat, let's move to the chord of G. A little bit more familiar. The chord sequence here is G, E minor, C to D. So many songs in my head already. Heart and soul. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-ba-ba. And this song too, Earth Angel. I don't know it, but I'm hearing those 4 chords. I'll play along to the track a little bit. I'm going to switch back to the A flat. Some movement. It's a little bit detuned due to the speed that this record is spinning at. Let's go to the next song, Duke of Earl. I'm hearing the exact same chord progression. 4 chords. I didn't know that he was saying Duke of Earl. Chord 2, chord 3, chord 4. Back to the beginning. We're in the key of F major. Same chord progression as before. F to D minor, B flat to C. Again, if I'm seeing a doo-wop band on the street, in my mind, I'm saying they're going to play this chord sequence. 1, minor 6, 4, 5. Heart and soul, you took a part of me. Duke, 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 Duke of Earl, Duke of Earl. I don't know this song, but a bit slower.
Nothing can stop me to the
Same chords, just slow down. Good. Let's try the next song. Are we placing bets that it's going to be the exact same chord sequence? Let's see.
Just a little bit longer.
We're in the key of B flat. Just a little bit longer. Can you guess what this chord progression is? 1 minor 6 to the 4 to the 5. B flat to G minor to E flat to the F. Beautiful thing about the accordion, all I need to know is the distance between the chords. I could be up here, I don't know what chord this is. Wonderful. Let's play along. It's a little bit faster than before, but same chords. Got it. Let's do one more song, and I believe they're all going to be similar. Breaking up is hard to do. Same chord sequences. What's a chord there? We're in B flat. Down, down, down. Earth Angel, they're all the same chord sequences. Let's listen. This is a bit out of tune for me. Oh, it's slightly detuned, but it's the same chords. Wonderful. I'll pause there. 4 or 5 songs, all featuring the same chord sequence. 1 minor 6 4 5. All slightly different root chord. First one was an A flat, then we had an B flat, we had an F, but in general, in the key of C, A minor, F, G. Just like rockabilly music had similar set of chords, the 1 4 5, the rockabilly doo-wop music seems to have the 1 6 4 5, with the rhythms being or one of them had a little bit faster. Wonderful. What a cool way of understanding music. For me, it means that I could look up. It means that I could improvise already. All these things I teach over on accordionlove.com. Have a look for yourself. There's a free 7-day trial. I'll see you over there. Thank you.